In this video, you'll learn how to update the Wecasa app on your device. Updating your app ensures you have the latest features and improvements, enhancing your overall experience. To begin the update process on an iPhone, locate and open the Apple App Store on your device. Once the App Store is open, look for the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type in Wecasa and press search. This action will display a list of relevant applications. If an update is available for the Wecasa app, you will see an update button next to it. Tap on this button to initiate the update. Depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the update, the download may take a moment. You can track the progress on the button itself, which will change to indicate the download status. For Android users, the process is similar. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your device. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to enter Wecasa and press the search icon. This will bring up the app along with other related applications. Should an update be available, you will see an update button displayed. Tap this button to start the update. Will depend on your internet speed and the size of the update. You can monitor the progress through the button, which will show a loading indicator. If you experience any issues with the app after updating, an effective troubleshooting step is to enable airplane mode. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings menu and tap on the airplane mode icon. Keep it activated for about 5 to 10 seconds before turning it off again. This action can often resolve minor technical problems. The Wecasa app is designed to update automatically when new versions are released. However, it's a good practice to periodically check for updates by following the steps outlined earlier in your app store. Regular updates help maintain the app's performance and security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.